Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Now, you have to take note that there are some countries or regions that this feature is not available, including my country. But don't worry, all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type create a broadcast channel on Instagram, then you will see this help center. Now, if you scroll down here, you will see the steps and process on how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. If you have an account on this well known mobile app and are a content provider, you may set up a broadcast channel where you can communicate with your followers in one direction. So even if I don't have this feature yet, still I can show you how to create one. Now, after reading this, you can exit now the Google web browser and open your Instagram application. So, whether you're using an Android or iPhone smartphone, here's how to create a broadcast channel after you have a creator account. Click the messenger or click the paper aircraft icon located in the upper right corner of the screen to access your message from the Instagram application. To start writing a new message, click the pencil and paper button. So, if it's available in your country, you should see that option right here. Choose Broadcast Channel Creation. Now you have to define the channel's name, target audience, end date if applicable, and whether or not to provide a link to your broadcast channel in your bio in the new window that appears. Now click Broadcast Channel Creation. As easy as that. To add people or your friends, you just have to tap their name and then they will be automatically added to your broadcast channel.